Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac ATS Coupe, blending power, response, and expression into an extraordinary sport coupe. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather sports seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sports suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. The Truth About Cars finds interior styling and handling are clear strengths. If we had to choose from among the cars that were actually available in the segment, this would be the one. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.